I've just decided to go into a car wash because of this. Look at the amount of flies. It's disgusting. It's all that, you know, all that, what do you call, all that stagnant water, I think, that increased the amount of flies we're gonna get this summer. So we're gonna see if Tesco, Jesus Christ, where is it? There, see? Jesus Christ, Varius. We'll see if it'll get rid of the flies. Mostly it's fine. It's just the flies, because I washed it recently, but then was driving like home really late, and that's what I got. You can see that my wheel writing came off beautifully, and I have worked out why that is. It's all to do because you can see there on the back there's a little bit left, because the back not so much, because the front has steering, and because I'm driving sort of fast, the wheel, if you imagine the wheel wall, it goes on the you know, on the corners, and literally just ate all the paint off. I've got a clip, don't know whether you'll be able to see or not, but I can I can now say that the reason why they're gone, the lettering, is because of my driving. Because I drive too aggressive. I drive to the speed limit, but it's just a little bit too aggressive. You know, if it says 30, I will drive 30. Okay, so we'll pick this up after the Jesus Christ will do its bit. We'll see how many flies he'll take it off. Okay, so the Christ washing machine is ready for me. Let's put in the code 083553, and that's the cheapest one, bronze start. Okay, so might want to close the windows, close that one, close that one. Let's go in. We'll see how many of them flies there will be left. And stop. There we go. Now go. As you can see, it's doing its job. Washing my little car. This Christ washing machine, or dishwasher, or whatever you call it. I like this car wash because it washes under the spoiler, as you saw. This is the only car wash in Hereford that washes under the spoiler of A2. So I think it has now finished. It will go into its original position and drive. Okay, so let's see how many flies there are left on my car. Let's just drive a little bit outside there, because the main purpose of this wash was to wash underneath the spoiler and all the flies, of the front. So let's see. Not bad, not bad. There's a few flies left, I can see there, but for being the cheapest wash, not a bad shot. No. That we'll call this a try. Very nice. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Goodbye. Subscribe and like and share with your friends. Friends, if you have any friends. I don't have any friends. I don't have any friends. I know I said the lettering went off my wheels because I'm cornering too fast. I know it was just a theory, but I think it is that's exactly the issue that I'm having. The tires are too low for the lettering to stay up. So we just fix the GoPro here, and hopefully we'll be able to see how much cornering force there is involved. Let me just fix this GoPro real quick. I know it might be a little bit wobbly, but because it's on a long arm, so it might wobble a bit, but I think we'll see whether my theory is true or not. so I don't know whether you saw or... So let's go check out the footage.